In today's video, I am going to teach you how to record Microsoft Teams meeting in Laptop PC 2026. To begin, open your web browser on your laptop or PC and go to Microsoft Teams on the web. You want to be on the meeting page where you can start a meeting right away. If you are not already signed in, sign in with your work or school account so the meeting controls are available. Once the meeting page loads, you will see the Meet Now area. Click to start or enter the meeting so the meeting window opens. Give it a moment to connect. When you are in the meeting screen, you will see your camera preview and your audio options. Before you proceed, it is a good idea to confirm that the correct microphone and speaker are selected, especially if you have headphones or an external mic connected. This helps ensure the recording captures clear audio. Next, click the on-screen controls that appear along the meeting window. These are the main meeting control buttons that let you manage audio, video, and other options. After that, click again on the meeting controls area, so you are focused on the toolbar where the additional options are located. In some layouts, the toolbar can fade slightly when you are not actively using it, so moving your mouse over the meeting window can help bring the controls back into view. Now look for the More option on the meeting toolbar. This is usually shown as 3 dots. Click More to open the Additional Meeting Actions menu. This menu contains advanced controls, including the option to record. In the menu that appears, click Start Recording. Microsoft Teams will begin recording the meeting, and participants may see a notification that recording has started. For best results, speak clearly and avoid switching audio devices during the call, because that can sometimes cause short audio changes in the recording. Once you have started recording, continue your meeting as normal. When you are finished with what you need to capture, you can stop the recording later from the same More menu. That covers everything you need to know.